Here we're displaying the details of a particular course. That's the course title, that's the course ID. One of the things I would like to be able to do here is display perhaps the other detailed information about that course, presumably the modules for that course, the lessons, the topics, the widgets, and whatnot. So let's focus on implementing perhaps a list of modules for that course. So to do that, let's create a component that can render a list of courses. So we'll see ng generate a component called module list, and once that's created, we can see it from our IDE, right? And so in our IDE, there's our module list, and by default, it has in the HTML, it has a dummy content which we can change, right? So this might be H3, and this is the module list. Okay, and then we can include it perhaps in the course viewer. So the course viewer down below the course title, we can list the module list. There we go. Right. So now in our details viewer, right, we can refresh and see the module list. Excellent. So what I'd like to be able to do there is perhaps have a list of modules, like an array of modules, maybe a default list of modules. So this would be modules, might be an array of objects with some IDs and some titles for the modules. So this would be title for the modules, module 1, comma, and let's have just a couple. And module 2 and 3. And then in the HTML, we could perhaps iterate over that, ul, and then li, right, iterate over this using ng4. And that will iterate over the module and the modules, right? And so it will render module.title. And there's our module list rendering the, maybe. Wait, we have modules, module list, module component, there's modules. Why are you not rendering? Modules, ID, title, module list, LG, oh, of. There we go. There we go, we got the list of modules. Excellent.